Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to add a campaign-specific status to your Parrot predictive dialer. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a status or disposition to a campaign for the agent to see on their disposition screen when they end a call. Before we begin, the difference between a campaign-specific status and a system status is that the campaign status will only show up in that one campaign, whereas the system status will show up in all campaigns. There is a separate video on how to add a system status. Note, if you add a campaign-specific status, you can't add the same status ID to the system status. Now, let's begin. From the Parrot Administration Dashboard, go to the Campaigns section and click on Campaigns Main. Go to the campaign you're adding the status to and click on Modify. Click on the Statuses tab. The status, or status ID, can have a maximum of 6 characters and can be letters or numbers. For this campaign, I'm going to add a warm status. The description can have a maximum of 30 characters. I'll enter warm leads. Now for the other fields. You have the option to turn on or off a certain field for this status. Most of these are used for the reports. I'll start with the fields that have additional functions. When selectable is set to Y, the status you're adding will show up in the system as a disposition and will be seen on the agent's disposition screen. For D and C, you only want to set it to Y if the status you're adding is to be treated like a do not call disposition, because the phone number will automatically be added to the campaign's D and C list when the agent picks the status. I will keep D and C as no. Callback can be set to Y if you want this status to pop up a calendar to add a date, time, and comments so this status can be called back again. I'll leave it as no. The rest of the fields, human answer, customer contact, sale, not interested, completed, and unworkable, as well as category, are used for statistical analysis in the reports. Category allows you to group statuses together into a category. I'm leaving this field blank. For this status, I will change human answer and customer contact to Y for use in the reports. Once you've made your choices, click Add. The status has now been added to the campaign and will be seen on the agent's disposition screen. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.